Hi everyone, welcome back to GlamQueenofDIY, and this is part 2 for my after Christmas mayhem and cleanup. And for this part 2 video, you guys, we are focusing on my kitchen, and you're going to be getting my after Christmas kitchen tour. Make sure you stay tuned for all of that. And as you can see, all of my shenanigans and foolery going on. You guys, I did not get to actually finish out putting up my Christmas stuff, so I had stuff everywhere. But we're still gonna clean everything up, get the house back into very livable space for myself. And like I said, we had stuff everywhere. Now make sure if you're new, you do subscribe to the Glam Queen of DIY. Also, a portion of this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Asoko. Now Asoko reached out to me to sponsor this, and this is a under cabinet light. It also can be used like for a closet light or just anywhere where you need extra lights. And I'm just taking the light out of the box, you guys. And I will tell you now, Asoko is actually a sell on Amazon as well. I'm going to drop all of their information down in the description box. Please make sure you do click those links. Now, this Asoko on the cabinet light also came with a 5-year warranty on the card. It does have their website, their email, and also information where you can follow them on online as well. And they also have a barcode on the back and to scan for transparency for the app. It also came with a set of instructions here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it out of the pack, and it is USB charged as well, you guys. And they do have another type of under cabinet light as well. And I'm going to tell you, I do love the even lighting of this light under my cabinets, and you will see when I get it together that you can see the difference with my other light I do have. But it's the light, the USB cord to charge it. It has 5 color settings, you guys, and I'm going to let you see me tap them as well. And it also have the metal place for you to attach it to under your cabinet. You can't stick it on wallpaper and certain things, you guys, because it won't give you a good fit. So just make sure if you get some of these lights, no matter where you put them, check and see what do they adhere to very well. And this is that little magnetic piece. I'm gonna pull the strip off, and I'm going to show you where you attach them at on the back. They have 2 circular metal pieces on the back of the light, you guys, and you just tap this metal piece to that, and that's what connects the light to the metal piece. And the adhesive end, you just pop it under your cabinet. And I will tell you, once you put these in place, if you remove them, you guys, it will no longer stick. But you can put them in place, and they hold in place for years. My lights that I do have now are another version of this, and they've been up for 5 years, and the strip is still in place. So, but once again, Asoko has their link. I'm sorry, I will have Asoko's link down in my description box along with the discount code. And they do have a 3-pack, and you guys, I think to distribute my light evenly for up under my cabinets, I'm going to just do 2 of the 3 packs. And they got white, and they also have them in multicolor as well. So you can buy the 3-pack, the 1-pack, or the 3-pack with the 12 inches. and I opt for the 12 inches, you guys. So make sure you do check out that link, and I'm just letting you see what that light looks like, you guys, once it is turned on. Now too, you guys, the light does have side illumination. It's environmentally friendly, and it is actually dimmable from 10 to 100%. Once again, you can charge this by connecting it to your laptop or just with a regular USB. And it has a 25 to 30 day motion sensor mode as well. And it also has a 4 to 5 hour always on mode. So make sure you do look at that feature if you pick up these. And they are 6500K color temperature with a 10-foot motion sensor range as well, you guys. They are so super easy to install, and once again, you can install these anywhere, in your kitchen, in your wardrobe, down a hallway, down an aisle, in a cabinet, under a cabinet, in your garage, anywhere where you need lights, you guys, you can store these as well. So please, you guys, do make sure you check out that description box for these lights. And like I say, I love the evenness of the lights. I don't like dark spotting in my light with some of my lights I have used for under my cabinet. But once again, I'm showing you how bright the light goes, and I'm putting it back up. Now too, you guys, once you turn it on, it does have a on off switch, and I'm going to let you see me click the light off. But check out Asoko. All of their information is down in my description. And two, family, if this is your first time tuning in, welcome to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you are returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys do hit that bell twice so you'll know when I am uploading. Also check out the Glam Queen of Decor and the Glam Queen unboxing, or the Glam Queen vlogs as well. Now for my after Christmas kitchen tour, you guys, as you can see, I still kept it with my Winter Wonderland theme, but I brought my blue back in, you guys, and we're going to still be doing, we do got more updates, because we had started doing, you guys, some renovations in the home prior to coming into Christmas. But we're going to get my house tour out of the way, then we're going to go back and do all of the renovations. But this is what my space is looking like. And you guys, as much as I love the blue, I'm going to take the blue wall out, and I'm opting for a complete 100% neutral look throughout the space because of the changes that we're getting ready to make. So drop me a comment if my after Christmas mayhem inspired you as well. But as you can see, I'm keeping it simple, and I'm almost converting over to a semi-minimalist look, at least here in this space. But make sure you do stay tuned, you guys, for the changes that's coming. We also set up my table as well. Make sure you check out the living room reveal. Also make sure you come back on tomorrow, because you're going to be catching that bathroom and probably one. I may go ahead and include in both of the bedrooms reveal, but I know you're going to get at least the bathroom and one more bedroom, because we're going to try to you guys to do on July the 1st. I'm sorry, January the 1st, you guys. I'm still backwards. On January the 1st, to give you my whole house tour, but it's going to be my after Christmas house tour, you guys. And once again, I hope this inspired you. Please watch the video to the end, and make sure you do become a part of this Royal Glam family. All of the channel links are down in that description. And once again, family, make sure you do become a part of the Glam Queen brand. We truly appreciate your love and support. We're still on that road for that 50K. Please share the channel with your family and friends. And two, I want to thank you once again, you guys, for your love and support, for keeping the channel still moving. It's moving a little slow right now, but yet and still it's still moving. So I thank you so very much for that. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. Please don't forget, we'll see you tomorrow, same place, same time, for another room reveal.